All right, you made it through, and I hope that this course has helped you learn how you can begin monetizing your website so that hopefully you can take the plunge one day and blog as a full-time career, because I know you'll love it as much as I do. When it comes to blogging, you always want to remember that your audience comes first every single time. Make sure that your monetization efforts align with who your audience is and what they are going to accept, and you'll be just fine. Always think about diversifying as much as possible so that you have different incomes coming in from different places in case one of them fails. And don't be afraid to try new things. When there are new opportunities available, give them a try, see what works, and don't spend a lot of time on the things that aren't working. Find ways to diversify with those passive income opportunities like affiliate links and banner ads, and let them just sit in the background and make you money. This is how blogging should be. Now, take a second to come up with what your blogging plan is going to be in order to monetize your website, and be sure to share it in the class projects.